more confidence. Because I remember growing up, I was a little bit more shy. Like, yeah, I would talk to people, but with this, like standing in front of groups, building something big with people, that's what allowed me to get my confidence and allowed me to be more outspoken, more open with people.
Lo que aprendí sobre el liderazgo es de que nuestro voto también cuenta aquí, no solo el de los adultos. Nosotros que somos estudiantes, también nuestra opinión está contando.
It's watching Claudia and Oscar do their thing. As a student who wants to become a teacher in the future, watching them be leaders and lead the meetings kind of allows me to take away some of the things they do that I can be inspired about to then take when I become a leader.
This program has helped me a lot in thinking about cultural needs that we have when it comes to these programs. Just maybe like whether it be us feeling more at home with the kind of food that we get in programs like these, or the mentors that we have, the adults that we relate to a lot. I feel like this program has really supported us to be better leaders and to connect with each other better through the mentors that we've had.
Reconnecting with my roots, of meeting people who have similar struggles as me, because from Sila, we're a small town, and yes, the numbers have grown for the Hispanic community, but like seeing other students from other districts having the same struggles as me and we talk about it just opens my eyes, and seeing like letting me be able to share our struggles and share our like opportunities that we have.
De lo que me siento orgullosa es de que podemos convivir todos en equipo, de que conocí nuevas personas, de que todos estamos opinando para hacer este evento, de que pues todos, aunque no nos conocíamos, nos unimos en grupos y pudimos convivir como con más personas.
This year and all the other years is seeing how much it's grown. Because I was here in COVID year with my brother when I was in 8th grade and he was a senior. So getting to see just a handful of students starting off and then seeing the numbers grow into the hundreds, it's amazing, and that's the most proud.
I'm proud of the people that we've been able to invite into the group, whether it be like in specific school districts or just throughout the whole planning committee and everyone that comes and attends. I feel like specifically within our group, we've had a lot of students that were very shy and kind of just like scared to kind of get out there, and now they're part of the process. They get to see like all the things that we're planning for ourselves, and I feel like it's something that makes me proud, because I've always liked to speak for myself, but it's nice to see other people to speak for themselves as well.